Welcome to your Q inbox, the heart of your support workspace, where you can find everything you need. The inbox is smartly structured into sections for chatbot conversations, AI agent conversations, and unassigned tickets you may have. The Teams feature lets you group tickets by purpose or workflow, like escalations, feedback, or general inquiries. Let's look at a real example. Lee just reached out via live chat. Over on the right-hand side, you'll find the ticket properties. This is where everything about the conversation is captured. You can see who the conversation is currently assigned to. Let's change that to Grace and assign it to a team like Payments. We can also add tags, which can help with categorization and reporting. You'll also know exactly where each conversation is happening. In this case, Lee messaged us on WhatsApp. Further down is the activity timeline, where you'll find every interaction, note, and update on the ticket. This is where you'll find all the context you need in one place.